guys, it's AndersCubes here, and today I'll be unboxing a 4x4 MGC. And I got a $10 mystery puzzle that we'll leave for the very end, so make sure to keep watching. Alright, here's the 4x4. It's pretty sweet. Let's start it up. Opening. Got it. Got it. So, I wonder what that's from. Alright, ready? Here we go. Ooh, nice. So we got the cube, and we got the accessories. Hello there. And inside we got a tension tool and some springs. And we got more springs, tutorial. Oh, good, it's not Chinese. Oh, wait. Alright, and that's it. Now let's get to the cube. It's very tiny. There we go. Ooh, that is pretty nice. Never had a 4x4 before. As you can see, inside's a little bit of cool inside look. As you can see, it looks like that. And
that's pretty nice.
Yeah. Well, I messed it up. Well, I guess I'm gonna have to learn how to solve this. I'd say it's a pretty cool. It feels very sandy. I'll definitely have to put some lube in this. And yeah, but overall, it feels like a really nice cube, and M slices are really nice. And this was only $34, I believe, on the Cubicle. It's a flash sale, so I decided to buy it. And it came in only 2 days, so that's pretty impressive. So yeah, very nice feel. It's very tiny. I'll put the actual size up here. And yeah, it's pretty good for a price that cheap. And obviously it's MGC, which is always the best. Alright, now on to the mystery box. Alright, ready? Ta-da! Oh my god, it's another 4x4. No way. And yes, I use Z3 cubing. I got another 4x4. Wow, and see, it's $10 mystery puzzle, and the price is actually up here. This is actually a WR. Yeah, it's a worm, so it's a Melon. That's so funny. I got 2 4x4s. First, we got this. Alright, and inside we got another pamphlet. Looks just like the MG one.
In Chinese.
And then we got the classic Melon tool. Now, to the actual cube we got here. If you open this up, we got a nice stand. And we got the that, oh my god, that is nice. Oh yeah, honestly I think the 4x4 mystery puzzle is way better than the one I actually wanted. That is so good. Yeah, definitely worth buying. So actually guys, either get the mystery puzzle or just buy the Maylong 4x4, and it has to be the 4M. It's so good, and the inside's kind of hard to see, but oh my gosh, it's so good. It feels like the RS3M 2023 3x3, just 4x4, and as you can see, very nice. Ooh, that is so good. Very happy with this one, and yeah, I hope you guys like this video. If you want me to do more tutorials or unboxings, let me know in the comments. They're actually pretty fun. And tell me if you guys, want me to do another one. So, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this helped you out. And I'll see you guys in another one. Peace. AndersCubes out.